Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x8007139f on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution will be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Lastly, you can reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.